So a lot of people install Surfshark on Windows, hit the connect button, and never open the settings at all. But that's where most of the useful features live, and it's all pretty simple once you know where to look. So today I'll walk you through the whole Windows app, step by step. So to start, you'll just need the app installed and your account logged in. Now the main screen is where you connect. Surfshark has over 4,500 servers across 100 countries, but for everyday use, a server close to you will give you the best speed. Then once you're connected, you can verify it's working by checking your IP on any IP lookup site. It should show the location of the server you picked, not your real one, and that's how you know it's working. Now the settings are where you'll want to spend most of your time. First is the protocol selection, and WireGuard is the default, which is what I'd leave it on for most situations. Then there's the kill switch. Basically, this stops any data from leaving your computer if the VPN drops unexpectedly, so I'd definitely turn it on. And then CleanWeb is basically a feature that blocks ads, trackers, and malware. Just keep in mind the version built into the app only works while you're connected. Then there's Bypasser, which is basically Surfshark's version of split tunneling. It lets you choose which apps go through the VPN and which ones use your regular connection. For example, you could route your browser through Surfshark while leaving a banking app on your normal connection. And then multi-hop routes your connection through 2 servers instead of 1 for an extra layer of protection. Just keep in mind that in most cases, this will reduce your speed a bit. There's also camouflage mode, which disguises your VPN traffic to look like regular traffic. This is really only something you'd need on more restrictive networks. Now, if your connection drops or a site gives you a proxy error, the usual culprit is the server or protocol you're on, so switching to a different one usually sorts it out. Also, something to note is that Surfshark doesn't support IPv6. So if you're getting odd connection issues, disabling IPv6 in Windows is worth trying. And something else worth noting is that there's no port forwarding, so the app won't help if you specifically need that, though for most people that's not something you'd ever touch anyway. So just to recap real quick, connect to a nearby server, turn on the kill switch, and then set up CleanWeb and Bypasser to match how you use your computer. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave those down in the comments below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.